Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differentiation. So I will show you the technique how to answer this one. First, we put about capital A equals for this one. Later that, we use about natural log. So you got about ln of this one. So because they have the power on the number 2, so we got about cosecant of s to the power of secant of s. Next, we do the same technique. We put ln again. And now we just have this one. So we have the formula that's about ln c multiplied with d equal to ln c plus ln d. So we will apply this one in here. So you got about ln of cosecant of s to the power of secant of s plus ln of ln number 2. So in this situation, we got about secant of s multiplied with ln of cosecant of s, and we have this one. Next, we do first derivative of this one. So they will do first derivative of this one too. Next, on the left, the first derivative should be like this. If we do first derivative of ln, then we have this one in here. They go first, and then they will do first derivative of ln of a. Next, on the right, they will do secant of s first. Later that, they will do first derivative of this one. This is the number, so this is go to 0, so we don't need to do first derivative of this one. Next, if we do first derivative of ln a, you will go about first derivative of a, and we have a in here. And now we just do this one first. The integral of secant of s, you will get about secant of s times s. The next one, if we do first derivative of ln of cosecant of s, you will go about cosecant of s in here, and we still do first derivative of cosecant of s. First derivative of cosecant of s, you will get about negative cosecant of s multiplied with cosine s. Next, we move a and ln a on the right. It means we multiply with this one. So we can get about first derivative of a. First derivative of a, that is about this one that we want to find in here. So we got about capital A multiplied with ln a and multiply with this one. So we can get the final answer in here. A is about this one. L and A, that's the about this one. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.